Alright, today I'm going to build a couple of nest boxes for my hens. I already have 4 in here. You've probably seen them in other videos, other tours I've done, but you can see here vacancy is getting pretty tight. And they will share from time to time and squish in there, but the bigger these hens get, the less likely they are to do that. So, to keep them from laying eggs on the ground, which they will when the boxes are all full, I'm going to put a couple more boxes up. I'm going to put one here, I'm going to put one over here, and I think I'll just do a single chamber in each, not without the divider in the center. And they can get 2 hens in there really easily at a time if they need to. The important part about building nest boxes like this is to put a good slanted roof on it they can't roost on, because they'll poop all over the top on it if they roost on it or if they sit up there during the day. So we'll build a nice angle to it and to the roof, and that way they won't be tempted to sit on it. So anyway, I'll take some measurements and we'll go cut these things out.